Hey guys, so here we are in the shooting location. That is some cafe, some random cafe actually. We had to ask permission to get the shooting space here, okay? And we did it successfully and we are done with the shots. That was sitting, right? That was the place where me and Param were sitting and we're shooting. Hey Param.
Hello, hi. Every time I come in to shoot, my place gets fucked up, so I'm wearing a man.
So sooner he's gonna hire some custom stylist,
Yeah.
personal stylist for
100
Param.
rupees cutting wala.
And it's fun, guys. I should tell you, shooting is always fun with friends, okay? Because people are gonna spread out and they're gonna stand at different places, and all the guidances and advices to shoot a cinematic journey is very powerful. It's like you collaborate with multiple people with multiple thought process and perspectives. And when you make the vlog, then you'll be clicking your pictures like this now and then. We both are celebrities by chance. We are celebrities. We are undergoing paparazzi here. This guy is a cinematographer who shoots our BTS and all that. This guy is a director, a very
Look at his look, man.
a very young upcoming director, Chalukya, goes by name Chalukya. His writing only goes by the name
Chalukya is like 30% Telugu kawala, 40%
Premada
Tamil
Kopayana.
kawala,
Premada Kopayana.
and 20% Kannada kawala.
What do you want to say something, Chalukya, in Tamil? What do you want to say, Boof, in Tamil? Anything that you want to say to people. Let's say I post this on YouTube, right? What do you want to say on short film making and all that? What do you want to say?
எல்லாமே நல்லா போகுது. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.
வாழ்க பாதி நலமுடன்.
வாழ்க வளமுடன். எல்லாரும் நல்லா இருங்க. அவ்வளவுதான் என்னோட கருத்து.
Means what should I say now? Like what did you say? Huh? Nandri. Nandri.
Nannari.
Nandri.
Nannari payale.
Huh?
Nannari payale.
Nannari Paire.
Nannari payale Divakar.
Nannari Paire?
Teaching you some bad words and
No. He's cursing, is it? Divakar, I would never do that to you. This guy is Divakar. Goes by the name Divakar but has multiple talents and is a treasure to B13 Studios. See, look at this guy. Param paparazzi is going. Sorry, we just did Premada Kopayana and we have come out. Please give us some space.
How many?
It's 3 minutes 17 seconds. We can put it as unfiltered vlog, Param, for YouTube. We can really show short film making process, okay? The thought process and the preparation that we have to go through to make one short film. We can show opinion, bro.
Yeah, we should.
We should, right? I mean, really, we can. All the. We have tripod, we have gimbal, we have like 2-3 lenses that we use, But I must tell you that this cafe is really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Say hi, Anna. Seems like Divakar is searching something. I really don't know what is it. Lens cap. Here is one lens cap. He's kind of dull today. Are you dull today? Because you're very silent.
I have cold,
He has cold and whatnot.
so I'm saving my energy for the other location. Screen.
Going to a location. What's that name?
Malur.
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 Huh? Going to a location called Malur. As I say that, I'm watching one clock that's hanging here. It's so freaking beautiful. It gives me Stranger Things vibes. Like, oh my god. Now we are clicking some pictures after the shoot. Always clicking some pictures and it's Kick-Ass. And he's using a flashlight,
ஒரே ஒரு பிக்சர் முடிச்சு. நீ வந்து பேட்ச் பண்ணியா? நீ
Chal. So guys, now I should share something that's Chalukya's tension and thoughts on completing the shot in a day. We'll hear from Chalukya. What's your tension, Chalukya? What's your tension, Chalukya? Speak. You have to speak, Chalukya. The Dodda director, you'll have to speak, Allah. Tell what is your tension and worry right now as the director.
What is the tension and worry?
Yeah, you just told Boo that we have to leave. Yeah, speak up, Chalukya.
Tension is we should complete the sequence within the time frame,
Okay.
so we can provide free to all of over in the set. So hurry burry in sense for I'm waiting for the sunset, but it's cloudy.
But is the short film going as you expected?
Yeah,
It's going as you expected. You are getting the shots like you want it.
Yeah.
And me and Param are cooperating.
Yeah.
Param, he just told we are cooperating to the shoot.
Thanks a lot. It's very good to hear that from the director.
Yeah.
And hope he casts us in next short film. If he's not casting, then we have not done something.
Pre-booking.
For short film, now continue what you want.
Anything, as a cinematographer, did you get your dream shots? Like the shots that you wanted?
The white shot I got. The white shot.
He's a fan of white shots.
The detail shot, everything, the emotion. I have
We are
taken
done with 3 locations.
Let's go in the editing.
Who is going to edit this, Boo?
Everything means
Divakar, how is the short film going so far?
So far, one of the Param sequence which we have got last 2 weeks back, which was very extremely
Good.
satisfying.
Okay.
Good, bad, I don't know, but for me it was very satisfying. It's very wonderful.
This cafe is actually a perfect place to do anything,
We got beautiful shots today also, and we're going to one more.
So tentatively, when will this short film be coming out?
I don't know. Yeah.
Maya says everything. I'm ending this vlog. Bye-bye. You, not you, sorry. Chalukya, tentatively, when is this short film gonna come out? See? Smile. Smile. Guys, there is no answer. Tentatively, when is this short film gonna come out?
it's come out soon.
Soon. All I can say is soon, guys. I'm so sorry to disappoint with that specific date. Yeah. All we can say is
It'll come
it's
soon.
gonna come soon. Bye. Bye.